How's it going, guys? What I wanted to do in this video is actually take a few minutes to discuss some of the lessons that we can learn from the Kyle Rittenhouse case. I think that there are a lot of things that we see in this case that may go contrary to what a lot of us may think, but at the same time it's important for us to look at them very closely. For example, the first thing that we need to consider is the fact that just because a particular law may be stated a certain way, such as self-defense, some of the ways that our perception is on self-defense, we can see from this case that it is still very possible for someone to be arrested and prosecuted for defending themselves. In a clearly decisive incident where someone defended themselves, they were still arrested and they were still tried, and that's what we see first of all in the Rittenhouse case. The second thing is we also see how far that some will go simply to smear someone regardless of the facts. We have seen some of the reporting in the media on this case that has just been blatant lies. They've tried to frame this case as him hunting down and attacking people, and now that more of the facts are coming out, we're starting to see the real story. We're starting to see that it's just the opposite, that he was out there to help and he was attacked and he protected himself. So what we really need to be cautious of is this jumping to conclusions that is so prevalent today, especially with the media, or the pitiful excuse for media that we have. It is an absolute travesty of justice. It is an absolute travesty of any kind of truth and honesty when it comes to the media. And this is something that is a growing problem within our country. Right here on YouTube, there's a lot of censorship, as well as censorship on other social media platforms. When there's something out there that is contrary to their particular viewpoint, truth is something that is often ignored today. It is something that is not very popular today for obvious reasons. Now, the Rittenhouse case is one that is unique. Fortunately for him, there's a lot of video evidence supporting what his share of the events. There is also a lot of witness testimony, including the star witness for the prosecution. I have to say, I think the prosecution has gone a great way in proving the defense's case. What really concerns me is the fact that even though this is clearly a political prosecution, how many times do things like this happen when there is not a lot of media attention? How many times is a prosecutor out there prosecuting someone unjustly that does not have this kind of notoriety within the media, within the public in general? Unfortunately, it's something that we know happens, and it's something that we should all watch out for and that we should strive to get out of our justice system. There's a lot of people that have been prosecuted unjustly, in my opinion. This is just one more example of them. The McCluskeys out in Missouri, I think that is another example. And I had talked about this before in some other videos. We're seeing a criminalization of self-defense, and I think that is a very dangerous thing. Hopefully, as of the time that I'm recording this video, this is just a couple of days before when the closing arguments are supposed to happen. Hopefully, this will reach the outcome, and may already have by the time that you're seeing this video. Hopefully it will come out to the outcome that it should. For me, my opinion is that it is a clear case of self-defense. But there's a lot of things that we need to pay attention to with this case. political prosecutions. We see people out there that are more interested in basically appeasing the mob than in seeking justice, and I think that is what a lot of this case is about. Guys, just a quick video that I wanted to do. Share your thoughts down in the comments below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down there. Also check out all the links down in the description. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, share the video, check out the rest of the videos on my channel, visit my website at boomsticktactical.com, and we'll see you next time.